Alright, welcome back guys. Something a little bit different today. Our really good friend Liam, one of Chevy's riding buddies, after riding Chev's bike, his dad decided to buy him one. So, in here, we have a brand new Oset MX10, which I'm super excited about. And so today I thought we'd do a bit of an unboxing. I've never done an unboxing video. I don't really know what they're about, but I figure we'll unbox it, put it together, see how we go. Brand new Oset MX10. Epic. Very excited about this. Liam is going to be one happy kid. So, in here we got a number plate, sticker kit, cool, front guard, some screws, the old bar protector. This will be a heavier spring. 250. All important key. Yes. We've got the two keys there. Spare key. Charger and books. Nice. Alright, let's get the rest of this thing together.
baby. Oh, you got the doggy. What's the doggy doing?
So that is my little unboxing video of the new MX10. This thing is super sweet. Like if you're looking at a Pee-wee, hi. If you're looking at a Pee-wee or a TTR 50 or even a KTM 50 Mini, you need to check these things out first. The fact that they're electric is just so much better than a petrol bike. There's no burns, no hot bits, no oil, no fuel. There's basically no maintenance whatsoever. You oil the chain and you charge the battery, that's it. There's just nothing, there's no ongoing cost. They're so cheap to run. So seriously check them out. Head over to Oset Bikes Down Under. Give my mate Pete a call, his phone number's on the website there, and he'll dial you in either with a 12.5 for kids 2 to sort of 4, and then from 4 upwards, MX10. This thing will take them all the way through till they're 7. So if you think about it, they're about $4.5 grand retail, and if you think about how that works out for a bike that they can ride from 4 till 7, it's insanely cheap, and it's still going to be worth something at the end. So really great bikes. Hydraulic brakes, fully adjustable suspension. Chevy's has his on the smallest height, Liam's is on the medium. There's still more to go, front and rear. Heaps of power. Chevy's really hooking in and he's maybe on 50%. Liam, we've dialed him up a little bit more, he's maybe on 70%, but that will be good for a long time. So go check him out. Give us a follow at MotoKid15 on Instagram, Hicks Family Adventures on YouTube, and yeah, come along for the ride.